Okay, we're gonna be dropping some knowledge on some birds in the form of a slam poem mixed with some jungle beats. Okay, get ready for some enlightenment. Birds, they fly around the earth. They keep going, and the earth keeps moving too. If a bird moves, and the earth didn't move, that bird would be going hella fast. Well, here's some facts. Kiwis are sometimes called honorary mammals. Bet you didn't know that one. Woodpeckers, they hoard acorns sometimes. They could call them squirrel peckers. Okay, so, if you really think about it, a world is nothing more than a bird flying around a very, very large room. Okay, let's continue with the facts. You know that owls devour their prey whole? Wow, that's pretty big. Just like the universe devours our fragile egos whole, it tears it apart, and never lets us go. We're moving forward in life, but we're moving backwards in time. If they say it's game time, then it's game time. We're always making touchdowns, but never really touching down. Okay, so, do you know that parrots can learn to say hundreds of words? That's almost as many as I know. Did you know that most hummingbirds weigh less than a nickel? That's almost a dime. Did you know that cardinals like to cover themselves with ants? Cardinals like to cover themselves with ants. Don't know why, no context given here. But just like how we cover ourselves with the ants of knowledge. Knowledge crawls on us like an ant going into a rotting stump. But our stump is not rotting and instead is growing like a beautiful tree that it is.